How to log in Viki account. So if you want to log in to your Viki account, then first of all you need to open up the Viki application. And after opening, now if you don't have an account, then you can go for sign up for free, or if you already have an account, then you can go for a login. And now you can log in with your Google, or you can log in with your Facebook, or you can also use Rakuten. So I'll be choosing email, which is your first. Tap on continue with email and then simply enter your email address. And here on the next blank, you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password and if you want to reset it, then you can simply go for forgot password, or you can tap on reset. And after tapping on reset, here you need to enter your email address which you have used to create your account, and then tap on reset password so that you will receive a link to your email to reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it. And after that, tap on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Viki account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.